You can tell I am making some homemade enchiladas, baby. Homemade enchiladas. So I'm gonna turn that pot on. And you're gonna put this in here. Break it up. And we're gonna add some seasoning. We're gonna add some black pepper. A little black pepper. Teaspoon of salt. Cumin. Onion powder. And garlic powder. And get all that seasoning stirred into that meat. Here's all the corn tortillas I had already did. So about a minute on each side. And I'm going to drain this oil. So the meat is cooked. Let me show you. A lot of oil in it. And I'm going to drain the oil so I can add the rest of the ingredients. Now I'm going to add my rotel, tomato sauce, two packages, baby, of the enchilada season. And we're going to mix all that together, baby. That's the way your meat's supposed to look. Making enchiladas, baby. So we have our corn tortillas. See how flimsy that is? We can roll it up and call it a day, baby. Slice of cheese or shredded cheese or whatever your cheese you use. And add the meat. Woo. And wrap it up. So this is a quick way. Tortilla, your cheese, and your meat. And roll, roll. I am done. I have sauce left. Hopefully y'all can see. This is the pan that's going in the oven. You can tell it's all baked and burnt. This is the electric skillet that I'm going to use. Now I'm going to put the sauce over it. This is the leftover meat sauce. And I'm going to drizzle a bizzle on top. Now this is the tostito cheese. I'm going to put some on top. Ooh. So let's taste. Just a taster. I think I'm gonna use the oh y'all, I can't put that in my mouth. Have some. Yum. Let me know what you want to see me cook next.